Your trees probably need to be brought back up because they're tilted. As you can see there, it's tilting from the side of the wind. You lost a branch there. Lots and lots of leaves in the yard. Lots and lots. Alright, now you can hear me. This side of the house, it's like everything got swept to the back. So the front of your house actually looks pretty good, minus the tree that, or the big branch that came down the side of the house. Okay. Taking off the shutter on the front door. That's the branch there. I don't know, probably came from this big tree up there. Another branch over here. George's yard looks pretty good. It looks like he only lost all his dead fronds. One of his big air plants fell off the tree over there, but I'm sure that can be propped right back up. That little guy's hanging on for dear life. This is the tree that we had to somehow change the bright so you can see it. It snapped. Darn it. Alright, so that one snapped up there. I'm sure if we just give it a good pull, we'll be able to pull it out. And the upside is it's right next to the street, so we can drag it right there. I'm going to assume your thing is still in there because the cap is still on, but I guess we'll figure that out later. Someone's trash bag flew into your road.
Mommy.
What, baby? Yeah, no, leave it alone. Don't touch anything. I don't know if you can hear on the video, probably not right now, but up here on the plant, on the pole, you can see that pole over there is about to, that pole right there is like about to lose it, but all you hear is the live wires like, so something is not good up that way, and up there it looks like one of the prongs is coming loose. So I got the, hey, get your butt in here. Told them don't touch anything metal because I have no clue what it is. Oh, just got a notice on the phone that says we still have a curfew from dusk to dawn, so at least we can go out and about for the day. Apparently at my house we didn't lose any power. I talked to the neighbor yesterday. I mean, come on, Ash. All right, let me walk along the fence here where I don't hurt my feet because I'm barefoot. Okay. All right, it's another branch over here from your palm. I mean, that's all you really have out here. You just have lots and lots of damage of plants and trees. Along the fence line is nice because, again, this is that circular wind where everything. Trying to walk as fast as I can, so this is not a 5-hour long video. I mean, your oak trees obviously withheld those strong ass trees. Look at Lucy's yard. She lost a bunch of palm trees. She's got all kinds of crap in her yard too. So you got big chunks of branch all around. And then they lost some sort of tree over here that snapped in half. Oh wow. Yeah, they definitely lost that tree over there. Holy crap. Okay, so okay, so there you have it. There's your roundabout of your house. I'm not going to walk any further, but you can see the rest of the trees that fell down back here. Say hi, Grandpa. Okay.